We're live here at the Verizon sound check party right now. There's so many girls out in the audience right now screaming. You can barely hear anything. And the guys, they're doing a great job performing in front of everyone. This is just a sound check. And as you can hear, the girls, like I said, they're screaming and throwing stuff on stage. Hey, we're here at the Verizon Wireless sound check with a bunch of fans. How'd you guys like the performance? What's your favorite song?
Burning Up.
Burning Up. What's your favorite song?
A little bit longer.
Now, who's your favorite Jonas Brother? Kevin is cute. I have to admit that. Kevin is very cute. So, what's your favorite radio station? 933FLZ. All right, we'll be back with the performance in just a little bit.